Yeah, now go. Yeah, you can unwind it down to us.
It's not ink yet. Pretty darn good.
Where is it?
It's right over here, this way. But I see how the chain is like.
Uh-huh.
Can you see it?
Oh yeah, maybe when it unwinds, then it'll come off of there. Let's see. Oh yeah.
Almost.
Wind it up a little, Walker. Just wind your line up a little. Just wind it up a little tighter, buddy. There you go. There you go. Nice! Oh yeah. Casting for Hayden's.
It's huge.
All right, put her down. Lower it down. Nah, 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 nah. Here, let me have it. Oh. Oh. There it is. Casting for Hayden's.
No.
Yeah, he did. All right, let him land it on your head. Walker's testing his control. Let him land it on your head. Put your hands down. Hands down, head land. Come on, Walker. Come on, Walker.
He's dancing around his head.
Oh, get it, Hayden, get it. Oh.
What?